Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When to repot a snake plant, you will know it's time to repot when the top of the roots are swirling or coming out of the bottom of the pot. Another sure sign that your plant should be repotted is if water drains straight through the drainage holes when watering. This means your snake plant is root-bound.
Let's help you make your mark.
The snake plant must sit in the new pot at the same depth it was previously growing, while the top of the root ball should sit 1 to 2 inches beneath the pot rim. A thorough watering after repotting settles the soil around the roots and ensures the potting media is evenly moist.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Snake plant care requires minimal effort. To keep the plant looking its best, water when the soil dries out. The best way to tell when your plant needs watering is to touch the soil every week. When the first inch of the soil feels dry, it's time to water.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Snake plants can do well in a well-drained and nutrient-rich potting mix. Since these plants prefer dry soil, we need to make sure we use a well-draining medium. A mix of potting soil along with cactus and succulent mix and a handful of perlite shall work excellent.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.